Listen carefully as I read the directions for you. First, write your name on the page. Lesson 3, Building Words. Skills Review. Most words have 3 parts: a beginning, a middle, and an end. When a word is formed, drop the slide arrow and slide the sounds together to make a word. Identify the vowel in the word by marking an X underneath it. Decoding. Mark the vowels with an X underneath. A. Mark the vowel with an X. Application activities. A. Choose the correct ending letter to make a real word. Use the picture as a clue. Example: gab. B. Circle the beginning sound of the word. Put an X under the vowel. Put a box around the final sound in the word. Example: C. Circle the word that rhymes. Remember that words rhyme if the vowel and the ending sound are the same. Example: bad, fad, bag.